Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your cleaning and vacuum repair needs. I wanted to make a really quick video. We get a lot of people out of the Springfield, Virginia area calling to ask, do we do vacuum repairs in the area? Do we do service work, warranty work? Do we have parts, accessories, different things like that? The answer to all those questions is yes. We're actually a quick 10-minute drive from the Springfield Town Center. We have a lot of easy and convenient parking. We do and service all major vacuum brands. We do repair work and service work for Dyson, Hoover, Bissell, Shark, Eureka, Electrolux, Kirby, Oric, Miele, Vercar, Simplicity, pretty much you name it, we can service it. Now we do also do repair work on carpet shampooers, as well as robotic vacuums and cordless vacuums. A lot of the issues that we see, at least in the vacuum side of it, is loss of suction or no suction, roller not spinning, burning smell, not turning on, some of the shampooers, water not being dispensed out or picking up, the battery operated vacuums, it won't hold a charge or stay charged. A lot of these are common issues that we see all the time. There's no need to throw that vacuum out. We can repair that vacuum at a better price than going out and buying a brand new one. All of our estimates are totally free, no obligation estimates, so it doesn't cost you a thing for you to bring it into us and let us at least take a look at it to see what the issue is. Some of these vacuums we could do in the same day, so some of the issues that I told you about are usually can be fixed in the same day that you bring it into us, so you don't have to come back and pick it up. Now some of these older vacuums that you may have, like the Kirby's, the Electrolux, the Orics and things like that, that's been around for some time, some of those parts are do have to be ordered, just like, because we do anything from minor repairs like belt replacements, roller replacements, declogging the machine if there's a clog in it, and we do major repairs such as motors, cord reels, circuit boards, and different things like that. So, but a lot of those older units, some of the parts have to be ordered, so they can't be fixed in the same day, which will take usually a day or two to get turnaround time. Typically you come in, we write you a repair ticket. Once our certified technician takes a look at the vacuum, he'll then begin to do diagnostics of it and check what needs to be fixed on it to get it running back to its optimal use. And then we'll give you the estimate and give you a call or a text and let you know. Once we get your approval, we'll then order the parts, get the work done, and then call you or text you as soon as it's ready. We do everything from, like I said, all types of repairs. Now we do offer trade-ins too, so if you have a vacuum that's either the parts aren't available to us to get repaired because it's such an older unit, even some of the newer units, some of the parts they discontinue relatively quickly, or it's just beyond fixing, you can trade that vacuum into our store and we can give you money off for a brand new unit. We have a lot of different makes and models that you can choose from. But if you have any questions, stop by our store. Again, we service all of the Springfield, Virginia area, so stop by our store or call us at 703-997-9292, or you can like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and follow us on there, message us on one of those outlets. If you have questions, come hit us up. Let us help you out with all your vacuum repair needs. Okay, guys? Hope everybody in Springfield, Virginia has a great day. If you need anything, come by and see us. Thanks.